Hello. This is Dollar Tree's mixed vegetables. It only costs 75 cents a can, and I never used to buy this at the Dollar Tree, but since Aldi raised their price on their canned goods and Walmart and Kroger have as well, I had to find a cheaper option. And this 75 cents at Dollar Tree has Walmart, Kroger, and the other guys beat. So I'm sticking with this. They also have corn, like peas and green beans too. So this is a pretty good option. It doesn't taste as great as those other brands, but it still does the job. It still gives you the nutrients you need. Founder Street brand, sold exclusively at Dollar Tree. Pick up yours today if you're looking for a cheap option for canned vegetables at your local Dollar Tree. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.